8 tips for getting into shape after the holidays. 1. No one is a stranger to one or two, or a few, no judgment, alcohol drinks when celebrating the beginning of the new year. You probably also know that alcohol dehydrates your body to the core, which in return make you look older and more bloated. Drink lots and lots of water and go back to your normal sleep schedule. That should be your step number 1. 2. Speaking of alcohol, go easy on it for a few weeks. Drinking your calories, especially after indulging in them during those cold holiday nights, might not be a great idea. Substitute your liquor with some kombucha, water, or a glass of orange juice. 3. Now, we know that you might want to run straight into a gym, work out every day, and kill all the weight off. However, we encourage you to set realistic goals in order to achieve them faster and not to lose your mind along the way. Go back to your standard workout routine, and expand it week after week. You will feel great after just a couple of sessions. 4. Plan your meals ahead of time. Don't just settle for unhealthy leftovers just because you are starving and can't wait any longer. Make a daily meal plan, prep your ingredients ahead of time, and enjoy the cooking process. Don't know where to start? The internet is filled with some delicious healthy snack alternatives and meals. 5. Put your goals in writing. Make yourself a weight loss schedule that is unique to your body and your routine. Write all your goals up and place it somewhere you can see every day. Once you write something down, it becomes real and the brain realizes that the body can totally achieve that goal. 6. Take a good look at your portions. During holidays, we usually make our stomachs process way more food than we actually need. Our bodies want to continue receiving giant portions just because it is a new norm for it now. Do not fall into this trap. Eat smaller portions throughout the day and remember that it takes about 20 minutes for your body to feel full. 7. Become best friends with your breakfast. A good healthy breakfast will set you up for the whole day ahead and will give your body a healthy boost. Skipping this meal leads to bad mood, crankiness, and yes, overeating on your lunch and dinner. Chop up some fruits, make yourself a delicious cup of OJ and get your mornings in order. 8. Relax. That is right. Take it easy. You are not the first person to struggle with some extra holiday kilos, and you are most definitely not the last one. Nothing happens overnight, but perseverance, schedule, and determination will get you there in no time. Stay on track and don't forget to love yourself.